Why are we at Land Rover?
Because we need to get our car. Hey friends, we're going to get a Land Rover today.
What do you want to see?
The orange car. When you move it like this and it drives.
And is it going on your birthday list?
No, because it's expensive.
But it can't go on your birthday list.
It's not going on my birthday list.
That's sad.
Well, that's what the other kids are playing with.
Okay, should we go then?
Should I show you where the orange car is? This way.
We don't want to see the orange car.
Yes.
Where's the orange car? Should we go and see? Where's it gone? Where's the orange car gone, Shu?
Daddy's buying a new car. And we're so happy, aren't we? We're so happy, we're so happy. Look at, friends, look at my jungle.
Is that your jungle?
There's no glass biscuit, please. No.
How many biscuits have you had?
But can we get one for me, friends, please?
Should we help Daddy unwrap his Christmas present?
Which Christmas present?
It's Daddy's Christmas present.
Wow! Look at that! Yeah!
I'm going to drive out there.
Do you want to have a
Yeah.
look?
Come on, you go and have a look.
Go and have a look at it.
That key's for you. You've got a key
Oh,
too.
you've got a key. Why have you got
Do you
a
want
key?
to come and have a look?
What's in here?
What's in here?
Whoa!
Yay.
What's that?
The orange car.
For who?
Me.
For you? What'd you say?
Thank you.
You're more than welcome.
Wow!
What car is it, Shu? It's a...
Orange car. I wanted that car.
But I thought it was too expensive.
You wanted that? Did you? What'd you say?
What
that?
do we do with the key?
Do you know they move? That actually drives.
Real drive.
Yes, you could drive it around the stables.
Yay! But what about the wheels? Will they get dirty?
That's okay. It's a car. It's your car.
Now, where's my plug in?
Right, so.
Where do I put it?
You see here?
So go and sit in first. Oh, wait.
How do you stop this?
And you stopped it. You stopped it. You've done it. Go. Look at you. No, you're doing it. It's amazing. Wow, we'll put it on high speed for later. You take your keys out and you come up here. Wow, it's amazing, isn't it? Wow, that's your very own car. This is what
Yeah.
you're showing us.
Wait, that's it. Now open it.
There you go. Maybe put your keys in there.
Can I see what's in there?
Wow, what's that?
Wow. The fridge.
Yeah, oh, should we just put it out? Sorry.